Hey guys, today I'll be doing an oil change on a 2019 BMW X3. Tools that you're gonna need, a 17-inch socket, and this is to pull the oil bung underneath. And you're also going to need a 27, see here, 27 socket, and that this is to pull the filter off. And you're gonna need 0-20 oil. This car has 98,000 miles, so I use a higher mileage one. But I mean, you could use any 0-20 if you want. So those are the tools that I need, and of course, you're gonna need some paper towel or a rag in order to wipe any dripping oil. Now, in order to get to the filter of this car, I mean, you can see the filter right there. That's the filter cap right there. But to make easy access, because the filter wouldn't come through here with your hands, so you just take this cover off. It has like three slot that it's clamped into. So just take that off, and then you have a much easier access to the filter. Filter is right there. Okay, so let me get started by draining the oil. So I'm gonna pull the oil bung underneath the car. The car is already jacked up. Well, what I do, I use the ramp jack. So I have it on a ramp jack. So it's jacked up, give me easy access underneath. And at the same time, guys, you still gotta make sure that you chock the wheel. So the two rear wheels are chocked. Two rear wheels are chocked. That's for safety. You don't want this thing run away while you're under there. All right, so let me get started by loosening the bung so the oil can run out. Okay, guys, so I loose the bung and I drain the oil out. Sorry, that was off camera. I forget to start the camera. But yes, so the oil is finished draining out right now. Just gonna leave that, let it drain some more till it stop running like that and then start dripping. Just let it drip a little bit more, then we will start cleaning that up back and replace the bung in it. You get your 27mm on. Then you just take your time and loose it. Yeah, it's pretty easy. All right, feel loose now. I'm just gonna use my hand and unscrew it here. There may be a little oil spill. Depends on how much oil is in the canister where the filter is at. You just screw this and then pull it out. So this is the cap. Take the cap off. That's the cap right here, guys. So pull this cap off. There's some oil in it. So now I'm gonna pull the filter up and out, but I just use a rag so that the oil doesn't flash all over. And to get the filter out, you just pull on it. There's the filter right here. Nipple right there. That has to go back into that hole. All right, so now we have the oil filter removed. Not sure how well you can see down there, but that is the area where the oil filter goes. So I'm just gonna wipe it out a little. There's a O-ring in it. Make sure I remove that old O-ring and put a new one in. And that O-ring is on here. This is the O-ring I'm talking. Yeah, I just want to replace this one on the filter or it should be in the filter box. So you want to make sure you replace this O-ring, just in case it's brittle or anything like that. You don't want any oil to be dripping all around. Okay, so guys, I returned that filter. That was totally incorrect. So yeah, that other one didn't have this thing here, right here. So I get a different brand also. See, it comes with the washer again for the Alpen, and it comes with a O-ring. Alright, see the new one now? It has this sprout thing here, right here. So that's the reason why I brought back the other one. But this one seems to be correct, so I'm gonna install it now. Okay, so I'm gonna get the filter back down in there. Make sure that this hole here lines up with the hole in the filter housing. All right, so I'm just gonna push it straight down. Straight down here. You know what? Let me put it by itself, then I push this on back on it, just to make sure that it's. Okay, so the filter is down there. This is the filter housing cover. Make sure I put it back on it. Press it down and tighten it up with my hands first. Then I will use the socket, 27 millimeter. Put it over there. Put it on the arm. Take time and tighten it. Make sure it's not cross thread. So this is plastic, it will break and leak. We don't want that. Okay. Alright. So that is tightened. So the next thing is to pour the oil in, and then we should be finished. Okay guys, this should fit 6 quarts of oil. Got my funnel. Make sure the oil drain. Okay guys, so I finish up pouring 6 quarts of oil in there. It may take a little bit more, I'm not sure, but I don't want to overfill. So if anything comes up on the dashboard, then I'll just add a little bit more. But 6 quarts is good enough for right now. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up that area. Okay guys, there you have it. So the oil change is all completed. So all right, thanks again for watching. You have a great rest of your day.